Do you know you can create unlimited animation video from this website? Yes, most people think the end of free Grok AI is the end of creating animation video. But this website, you create videos, unlimited videos for free. It's just a click with just your prompt. Although it has limitation, but the limitation doesn't stop you. There's a way you maneuver the limitation. So let's get into started. This website is called arena.ai. You can see it, arena.ai. First thing you need to have is your Gmail. Once you have your Gmail, you sign up with your Gmail and you are in your dashboard like this. On this website, there are different models of videos. There are different models. They have Grok, they have all these Grok, all these. Can you see? There are different kind of video model they have here. So now let's go to the new chart. What do you need to do? Just come to the new chart. This is your new chart. Now this is video. I want to start with video. This is the video button, generate video, and you write your prompt here. If you have your prompt, you have it here. Like what I do tell you people, whenever you want to create a video, just go to ChatGPT, describe the video you want to create, and you understand, and get the right prompt from ChatGPT. Let me go to ChatGPT. Prompt I give to it, I said give me a video prompt of two guys in the lecture room gisting while others are reading their book. So this is the response. Then I will copy it. I went on to my Arena AI. So I'm going to paste the prompt here, then click on go. So from there, I'll be having two results. I have one assistant A and assistant B. As you can see, it's been generating video. It's been generating video. So let's wait for it till it's been generated. So this is the video now. The video has been generated. Let me play it. Let me just mute it and play it. See it. So we have video A. Can you see it? We have it. See how sharp, clear. See how it is. So at the end of the video, you know how to crop it out. So now this is the second version. Let's play it. Can you see it? Can you see it? So that is a different videos angle. So that is how to create what's it called, generate video with this arena. So now let's say I want to create a video with image. I want to use ingredients. I'll just have to go to, I'll click here, add file. Let's say okay, I'm going to upload this file. Then I'll describe whatever I want this video to generate for me. So this is what I want. I want the image to do. Then I'll just click on go. So once I click on go, it will start generating. It will start. Make sure you have a good network. Make sure you have good network. So as you can see, the generating has started. I've created like 3 or 4 videos today. So and the limitation is 5. Like I said, you have 5 limitations. So once you've exhausted your credit for today, you wait till the following day. But the next thing you have to do is just to switch to another Google, switch to another Gmail, and you get your work done perfectly. Like this, now I have to switch to another Gmail. Now I've switched to the new account. So then I've attached the image to it. I'll just put in the prompts. So then I'll click on go. You understand, to perform the action. So this is it. The first thing it's going to do is to upload the image. It's going to upload the image, and once it's done uploading, then the video will start generating. Like I said, you can, with one account, you can get up to 4 videos per day, and after that your free section will be expired for the day. You have to wait for the following day before you can proceed. But if you have different emails, Gmail, you can you use them to continue your generating. You understand? So let's wait for this video to do generating. So the video has been generated, as you can see. Let's play it. So this is a video. You see generating. The one thing I love about this this video is, I mean, this website is, the video is generating up to 13 seconds. Can you see it? So the generating will be based on the prompt. Let's play the other one. So you have the choice to select the one that suits you most. So it's because of the network, so it's already done generating. You understand? So once you are done with it, you can just click on the download. This is the download button, and this is not about video only. You can still use it. You can use Cloud AI there. You can use Gemini. You can use ChatGPT. You understand the premium versions. You can use them for free. So that is how to make use of Arena AI for your video generation. Not, you won't be stuck with Grok or video Google VO3. You can use this. Make sure you just have to 2 or 3 emails so that you can switch whenever you've exhausted your daily free version. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.